Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's thought. It is narrated in Musnad Ahmad and Sunan Ibn Majah. The Prophet said, one prayer in Masjid al-Haram is better than 1,000 prayer elsewhere. Thank you.
Information on Masjid al-Haram. Imagine standing in a place where every believer, no matter their language, nationality or background, longs to visit at least once in their lifetime. A place so sacred that every Muslim on earth turn towards it 5 times a day. That blessed place is Masjid al-Haram. Masjid al-Haram is located in the holy city of Makkah, surrounded by the holy Kaaba. Allah says in Quran in Surah Al-Imran, indeed, the first house to be built for mankind was that at Makkah, now Makkah, blessed and guidance for all. The Kaaba is the Qibla, the direction where we face while offering the Salah. It was rebuilt by Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and his son Prophet Ismail alayhi salam. The Kaaba is located in the middle of the Tawaf, where the pilgrims perform Tawaf by revolving around the Kaaba. The one special place is that the black stone, the Hajar al-Aswad, which the Prophet ﷺ used to kiss during the Tawaf. The another one is Rukn al-Yamani, which the Prophet ﷺ used to touch whenever possible. Close to the Kaaba is Maqam Ibrahim, where Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam stood while rebuilding the Kaaba. Hatim, which is the original part of the Kaaba. The Prophet ﷺ told Aisha radiallahu anha that praying there is like praying inside the Kaaba, mentioned in Sahih al-Bukhari and Sahih Muslim. So remember, when you stand for Salah, you are facing the same Kaaba where Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam stood and rebuilt the Kaaba. The same Kaaba where millions of people visit with joy and gratitude, and the same Kaaba where Prophet ﷺ performed Tawaf. May Allah grant every one of us to visit His sacred house once in our lifetime and keep our hearts forever attached to Masjid al-Haram. Ameen. Jazakallahu khair.
Amazing facts. First, why it is called Haram? Haram means sacred or sanctified. Within its sacred boundaries, fighting is prohibited, hunting land animals is prohibited, cutting naturally growing trees and plants is prohibited. Lost property shall only be picked up if one intends announced till the owner is found. Second, Masjid al-Haram is one of only the 3 mosques for which the Prophet ﷺ encouraged a journey. He said, do not undertake a journey except the 3 mosques, Masjid al-Aqsa, Masjid al-Nabawi and Masjid al-Haram, the mosque of mine. As narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Sahih Muslim. Thank you.